Alright guys, welcome to my 1000 subscriber special, which actually came sooner than I expected. So this video, basically, I'll be personally acknowledging every singular subscriber I have by looking at this list of the people that's just subscribed to me. First of all, this list is ordered by how many subscribers they have, so if you want to see your own name on there, you can easily find it by skipping forward into the video based on how many subscribers you have. Last thing I want to say is if your name isn't on here, it's because this list is only includes people that made their subscriptions public, and I have no way of seeing who subscribed to me if they didn't make their subscriptions public. So yeah, I'm sorry if your name isn't on there, but it's probably because you have your settings made it where your subscriptions are private. There's nothing I can do about that actually. So let's get started. So first of all, thank you Rollaby for subscribing. I actually know this person because I used to play a lot of Item Asylum, and he made an Item Asylum Smiler remix. I actually listened to it. It was pretty good. I'm pretty sure he's not even watching this video, but if he is, thank you. Rollaby, I also subscribe to you. And Kasi, thank you for subscribing. You have 2.83 thousand subscribers. That's actually a lot for my standards, and I actually don't know what their channel is about. But that's a pretty cool real life picture. For Dunno Bro, congratulations on you for 1.65 thousand subscribers. I hope I get more subscribers than you, to be honest. No offense. Thank you for subscribing. Caffey, I actually looked at this guy's channel. He has 1.37k subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Except his content is a bit, not the best. And now we have a huge jump into people under 1,000 subscribers, so people less than the amount I have. Aiden R, thanks for subscribing. Your profile picture is pretty cool. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm going to pronounce it Bat. Thank you for subscribing. I'm not sure about your PFP, but Pino the Chef, thank you for subscribing. I also like how you have Pepino. I like Pizza Tower. Alex Hanley, thank you for subscribing. 455 subscribers. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Wendy, that's short and simple name. Thank you for subscribing. I don't know where your PFP is though. Chaz, TH30, I think that's how you pronounce it. Thank you for subscribing. That is a pretty complex PFP you've got. Lukey's Buddies XT, thank you for subscribing. I can tell you made that profile picture yourself or one of your friends did it. Some random YouTuber, for being some random YouTuber, it's really cool how you actually have 342 subscribers. I can tell you made that PFP yourself. Ribs and Littles, I think that's how you pronounce it. Thank you for subscribing. Cyber, and about your PFP, I think that's a duck. Cyber Nexus, thank you for subscribing. I don't know what your PFP is at all. Buga Bros, thank you for subscribing. I see you got that. I see you got the Omari. That's how you pronounce it. PFP. Pedro Camilo, thank you for subscribing. Yo, you have Rabbids. I used to play Rabbids. Too bad they replaced Rayman. Now BFDI. I don't think so. Thank you for subscribing. I think that's a Roblox PFP. I don't know though. Oh shoot. Renda Jimenez do Prado Durazo, thank you for subscribing. I don't know what PFP is. It kind of looks like, I don't know. It kind of looks like Gary's mod. I don't know though. T1 Nano, thank you for subscribing. I'm gonna guess you subscribed to me because of my Baldi's Basics in Roblox Studio video, because you have Miss Circles as your PFP or something related to Miss Circles. I don't know. Sheep Bro, I think you made that PFP yourself. I can see how you made it yourself. Thank you for subscribing. Prangle, I don't know what your PFP is. It looks like a food though. Thank you for subscribing. The Unnatural Guy, I can tell you made that yourself. Your 3D, some pixel art, Thank you for subscribing. Arton's World, you definitely made that PFP yourself. Thank you for subscribing. Moon Slap Battles, I don't know what your PFP is. Thank you for subscribing. Classic Jimmy, pretty simple PFP you got there. Thank you for subscribing. Oh, we're reaching the people that subscribe to me that have below 100 subscribers. Oh dang. Alright, Frieza game. It reminds me of Frieza from Dragon Ball. Thank you for subscribing. Main Bring Alsaf Dan Mika. Thank you for subscribing. I think that's someone you know in that PFP. I don't know. Lud, thank you for subscribing. Is that a koala? That was pretty cute. I don't know if it's a koala. I think it is. Nico, thank you for subscribing. I think you made that PFP yourself. Blurgax, thank you for subscribing. It's a pretty corporate PFP for someone that only has 75 subscribers. So if you made that yourself, good job. Scalar XX, thank you for subscribing. That's definitely a Roblox PFP. Yeah. Actually, I don't know. Marshall M, you probably made that PFP yourself. 69 subscribers. Congrats, you're the only one with 69 subscribers in this video. Megan Wood, thank you for subscribing. I can't believe you actually used your real name. And Joe, your PFP is a bit. Anyways, thank you for subscribing. 66 subscribers. Cyber Rose Plays, thank you for subscribing. I'm subscribed to this guy because I know him IRL, except he doesn't actually put videos on there anymore. Wiz Knows Berda, thank you for subscribing. I actually subscribed to this guy because I used to know him a while ago. I think he changed his name. I think he used to be something else up here. Staring Windy, thank you for subscribing. If you made that PFP yourself, that's good. Urix, oh, with that My Singing Monsters PFP, thank you for subscribing. I actually don't announce that I like My Singing Monsters that much on the channel. Miss Skit Tunkin, you sound like a teacher, probably are. Congratulations for subscribing. Owen, thank you for subscribing. That's a Roblox PFP with a Combs t-shirt. The Justin Show 2024, thank you for subscribing. Pretty sure you made that yourself. That's I. The Monkey God, that is a monkey, alright. Thank you for subscribing. TT Roblox, pretty sure those first two are supposed to be a face. Thank you for subscribing. Don't know what PFP is though. And just another language. Oh shoot. Katehak. Nah, I don't even know what that letter is. I'm gonna read that, pretending it's English letters. Sorry. No offense, but Kate Hack. Lapan Cat, thank you for subscribing. Wolfie FNAF, thank you for subscribing. Jennifer McBride, use your real name, thank you for subscribing. Monet Gozet also used her real name, thank you for subscribing. Pretty different dog you've got there. Bank of EEEE, thank you for subscribing. Hope your bank is going well. Literally no name here, you misspelled literally, but thank you for subscribing. Zyro, that looks like, yeah, that's definitely a crescent moon. Thank you for subscribing. Now to the next page. Sean B, thank you for subscribing. I think I actually might know you in real life, I don't know. Carla Pena, it's your real name, thank you for subscribing. Dukes, that's Barney, alright, thank you for subscribing. Larry M, I know I'm subscribed to you. You make piano videos. Thank you for subscribing. Bong Song. Pretty sure that's another language, but I don't know how to read it. Thank you for subscribing. Kiddos Games. Thank you for subscribing. Hope your kids play games well. Sans Underman. Sans. Well, thank you for subscribing. Pretty good Undertale you got there. Newham. I think that's how you pronounce it. I think the P is silent. That looks like a Discord message, but thank you for subscribing. Margie Joe Jug, thank you for subscribing. Pretty edgy PFP you've got there. Sebastian Retypings, thank you for subscribing. Pretty basic PFP. Jack, thank you for subscribing. You look a bit chiseled there, my mate. Darwin Woodall, thank you for subscribing. Again, you use your real name, don't know what else to say. Tony VR, thank you for subscribing. Definitely play Gorilla Tag. Silverave, thank you for subscribing. Lowercase x, less. Silverave, thank you for subscribing. Your name reminds me of silverware. Gaynita Reynolds. Oh, thank you for subscribing. You kind of seem like an elderly person. So that's you'll see that every day. My bad if you're not though. Dummy Cat, thank you for subscribing. Hope you have a good day. Someone, thank you for subscribing. can't believe someone actually subscribed to my channel. Yeah, that's pretty goofy name. Yeah. Okay, Mark Godfrey Torres. You even included your middle name. Okay, well, thank you for subscribing. Godfrey reminds me of Big Nate, though. Sleepy. That's Goku, alright? He's probably in this Kaioken. Thank you for subscribing. Oh, we're moving to the people with 10 or less subscribers. Okay. Jay? That is definitely from a manga. I forgot. I don't actually read manga or anime. Thank you for subscribing. I know my friends know this guy's name. I don't know what it is. Heracross? That's Pokemon, alright? Heracross XD, my bad. Thank you for subscribing. Lay Drax. You remind me of Marshmallow. Thank you for subscribing. Look like you're into electrical dance music. No, sir. Is that a Madness Combat PFP? I don't know. If it is, it's pretty cool. Thank you for subscribing. Robbie the Ball. I see you're exercising your Second Amendment here. Thank you for subscribing. Sorry for the people that aren't in the United States. You probably don't know what the Second Amendment is. I know where Trevor lives. That's crazy. Just don't dox him. Thank you for subscribing. Harrison Boyd. Thank you for subscribing. I see you're a bit of a Chad. Next, thank you for subscribing. I don't know what PFP is though. Card. Thank you for subscribing. Pretty cool. See. Yarsh. Thank you for subscribing. I don't know what your PFP is. Rajesh Warikoteka. Thank you for subscribing. The only thing I see in your PFP is want to lose weight. I actually don't, because I'm actually skinny. I have a high metabolism. Time Zone. Pretty strange cat you've got there. Thank you for subscribing. John Pearson. Thank you for subscribing. Pretty cool PFP. Hado Gamer. Thank you for subscribing. If you made that PFP yourself, great job. I don't know if you did though. And this is definitely in another language, except I literally don't speak any other language except for Mandarin and English. So I'm gonna pretend it's English. Sandajia Kovat Kiambakiang. Thank you for subscribing. Pretty cool horse. Speedy. Thank you for subscribing. That's an anime PFP you got there. MFC. So you got a Doge PFP. Thank you for subscribing. Oh, you too. You also have a Doge. That's not Doge. Different kind of dog. I forgot what it was. But thank you for subscribing. And this guy. Thank you for subscribing. I'm sorry if I literally cannot say your name. I'm just gonna call you Eugene. Eugene, thank you for subscribing. Atmius Miljor, thank you for subscribing. I don't know what else to say about you. Hello, bye. Hello, thank you for subscribing. Bye. Alright. Oski. This reminds me of people saying broski, but thank you for subscribing. Walnut Plays. Hope the zombies don't eat your brains. Thank you for subscribing. Super Games 101. I think you made that PFP yourself. Thank you for subscribing. Terror. That's a pretty aesthetic PFP you've got there. Thank you for subscribing. Nelson T-Bass. You look like a teacher. Thank you for subscribing. Means Chip. Thank you for subscribing. Your chip bag's probably 50% air. Now, Nasser Wahedi. Thank you for subscribing. Pretty sure that's a real life picture. Abo Bosnia. Thank you for subscribing. Again, got that all black PFP. Not really that interesting, my bad. The Normal Kid. I'm not sure if you're actually normal. But thank you for subscribing. That's a Lego Ninja PFP. Toasty Tunes. Thank you for subscribing. And yeah. Now let's move on to the next page. Alright. Wee Wong. Thank you for subscribing. That looks like a Robux PFP. Got severe nut problems. Thank you for subscribing. I can't help you with that though. Now Ong Za Yu, thank you for subscribing. Sorry if I didn't pronounce that first word correctly. Gaming for bad. I'm not sure if you mean you're bad at gaming or you're gaming for baddies. But thank you for subscribing. Walla Brunel, thank you for subscribing. I don't know what your PFP is. I don't know why. It reminds me of Knuckles though. Shamogus, definitely something to do with Among Us. Oh, because like the PFP is a snow sculpture of Among Us. Thank you for subscribing. Randy Blocks. I know him IRL, that's why I subscribed to him. Thank you for subscribing. Keisha Peoples, thank you for subscribing. That's a real life PFP you got there. Have fun with your day. Amir Fernandez. Thank you for subscribing. I don't know why you seem like a teacher. No, why you just seem like, or you seem like a teacher's student. I mean, teacher's child. I don't know why though. Michelle Kasner. You seem like you're in a couple. Hope that goes well. Thank you for subscribing. SD Pharrell MN. Thank you for subscribing. I don't know what else to say about you. Pretty cute dog. Ala Burbano Lilera. I think that's how you pronounce it. Thank you for subscribing. Oh, we're reaching 0 and 1 subscribers. Oh, okay. I do not know how to pronounce your name. I'm gonna call you Philipper. Thank you for subscribing, Philipper. Claudia B. Thank you for subscribing. I can tell you put some effects on your PFP. Shalise Moada, thank you for subscribing. Not else I can really say about you. Kai63, thank you for subscribing. I don't know what else to say about you. Zeke, pretty sure that's an animal. I don't know if it's a cat or a dog, but thank you for subscribing. 4Ball Plays, you look like you're raging. But thank you for subscribing. The Crazy Banana, yeah, you probably made that PF yourself. Definitely crazy. Thank you for subscribing. Clamarsh, that's how you pronounce it. Thank you for subscribing. Don't know what else to say about you. Tasif, if you made that PF yourself, good job. Thank you for subscribing. I don't know why this reminds me of Boba. I don't know why though. Strong Lee, thank you for subscribing. Don't know what else to say about you. Roderick Jolivet Jr., thank you for subscribing. Shan Young, thank you for subscribing. By the way, for these, I really don't know what to say about them because they're pretty basic. Oh, that reminds me of TikTok. Thank you for subscribing. Eliana Valteria, probably didn't pronounce it correctly. Thank you for subscribing. Tyler Rosales, thank you for subscribing. Lenha Tayu, you're definitely into K-pop. Thank you for subscribing. Henry Gallagher, thank you for subscribing. And that's all the people that subscribe to me. That's not everyone that subscribed to me, obviously. That's only the people that made their subscriptions public. So, yeah. If you didn't see your name on there, I'm sorry. If you did, please, if I made fun of you or anything, that's my bad. I don't mean to poke offense. But yeah. Yeah, that's the end of this video. I'll probably do the same thing at 2,000 subscribers. And that video will probably be way longer. So, yeah. Let's see how, see what comes in the future.